meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
With highs today ranging from the upper 30s to the mid 40s, it was our coldest day in over 2 weeks, and even colder weather is headed our way. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend as we get ready to wrap up October and move into December. We can expect temperatures to be running about 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. Right now, we've got a lot of upper 30s and some 40s. It is 39 degrees in Manitowoc. It's also 39 in Oshkosh. Meanwhile, in Shawano, the temperature is 43 degrees. With temperatures getting up into the upper 30s and 40s across the area today, you can watch the snow melt on the time lapse here. After clouds during the morning, we saw tons of sunshine as we move through the afternoon. Here's the snow moving across northeast Wisconsin during the early morning hours. Once again, most spots picking up about 1 to 3 inches, but some locally higher amounts did occur. Tonight, we've got dry conditions across the entire state with high pressure slowly working in from the west. That will be our main weather maker for tonight into tomorrow, but then we're going to turn our attention to this area of low pressure. That system is going to produce some accumulating snow across the western Great Lakes as we head into Halloween. Cold air in place across much of the country this afternoon. Temperatures running well below normal for this time of year. We had 30s and 40s. Off to the west, temperatures were only in the 20s. So there is no short supply of chilly days ahead. We're going to have highs tomorrow only in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Our normal high temperature is right around 51 degrees. We'll start out with a mixture of sunshine and some clouds. The clouds will eventually start to win out, however, as that next area of low pressure pulls out of the Rockies. It will then swing east-northeast towards Michigan as we make our way through Halloween, which puts us on the colder side of the storm, and that means the precipitation that we would see here in central and eastern Wisconsin would be in the form of snow. But there is a little bit of a change, which is actually quite significant from what the computer forecast models were showing yesterday, and that is they are taking the storm about 50 to 60 miles farther to the south and east, which means the heaviest snow right now, based on the latest information, would line up from northwestern Illinois into southeastern Wisconsin and then into lower Michigan. There certainly is a chance that the storm could shift back to the north just a bit before it gets here. Now, Halloween is one of those holidays where we can see just about anything. It can be warm, it can be cold, it can be wet, and yes, it can be snowy, but snow on Halloween is quite rare. In fact, the snowiest Halloween on record was back in 1895 when we had 1 inch of snow. That was 124 years ago. The second snowiest Halloween on record was 2 years ago when we had a trace of snow. So if we see any accumulating snow on Halloween, it will be our snowiest Halloween in 124 years. It's crazy to think about that. All right, fair skies tonight and cold temperatures. Overnight lows will be in the lower to mid-teens across the northwest, lower to mid-20s across the northwest. Some spots will get down into the teens. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, but the clouds are gradually going to win out as we move through the day. High temperatures, for the most part, will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 41. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Shop with a Cop, and we did that today. I forecast 42. The actual high temperature was 43 degrees, which means I've now hit 32 of the last 32 3-degree guarantee forecasts. As we move through Thanksgiving, getting ahead of myself here once again because it doesn't typically snow on Halloween. As we move through Halloween, yeah, we could be looking at a white Halloween across a large part of the viewing area. It's going to be cold, temperatures in the 30s, and then staying cold for Friday and Saturday, sun and clouds, chance for a couple of snow showers and flurries. We fall back Saturday night into Sunday morning, and temperatures will start to go up a little bit as we move into early next week. So winter wonderland conditions across the area, Stacy, mixed with peak color, something we don't often see here, and it was very, very pretty, no doubt about it.
It was, and it's playing tricks on all of us, Cameron.
It is.
It should feel like Thanksgiving or Christmas for that matter.